Ta-da! I have a small bucket. Let's follow me. Hey, look over there. What do you see? I see an excavator. Maybe it was broken. Oh, it looks so lonely. Hey, look over there. There's another one. Excavator, maybe it was broken too. This is Rusty. It looks very old. Hey, look at the ground. I see something so beautiful. Wow. It has two colors, purple and blue. This is spider. Wow, it looks so nice. I'll take it. Oh, what's that? This is iguana. Yeah, green iguana. I never ever seen beautiful iguana like this. It has green color and blue eyes. Okay, I'll take it. Look up the sky. This is small pond. Hey, look, I see something yellow. It's standing by the bar. This is lizard. It has two colors, yellow and pink, and it has 4 legs. Oh, look at that. What do you see? I see 2 eggs. There are 2 eggs. And 1 scorpion. Wow, amazing. It has white color. 2 eggs. It's so small. Okay, put it into my bucket. This is scorpion. It has 10 legs. And it has green color. Okay, keep going. Hey, look at that. I see a grasshopper. It has green color. And it has 2 antennae on the head. How many legs does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there are 6 legs and 2 antennae on the head. Keep going. This excavator looks so dirty. Hey, I see something orange. What is that? Ah, this is another lizard. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is another iguana. Orange iguana. Okay, I'll take it. Oh, look over there. Maybe that is spider and an egg. Yeah, black spider. This is an egg. Brown egg. Black spider. How many legs? How many legs does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it has 10 legs. There are so many rocks on the ground, and look at that excavator. There's so many grass on it. Look, there's so many grass. Hey, look at that. This is lizard. It has two colors, red and green. Oh, I collected so many things today. And let's count how many things do I have today, okay? 1 is spider. Black spider. 2 is iguana, green iguana. 2, 3 is grasshopper, green grasshopper. 3, 4 is scorpion. And 5 is iguana. 6 is lizard. 7 is lizard. Oh, it looks so nice. 8, 9. Oh, 10 is spider. And last one, 11. This is my basket. Goodbye.